Hey guys, Ian Griffith here with Keystone Fuzion. I want to go over some of our smart storage solutions with you, and I've got the Fuzion 429 behind me to give you some examples. Now this applies to all of our Fuzion floor plans, and these smart storage solutions are available on every one of our Fuzion floor plans, and they don't only help you store your gear and bring more along with you when you camp, but our storage solutions help get stuff out of the garage so that the only thing that goes in that garage is what you decide to put in there. So come with me and let's take a look. So the first smart storage solution that I want to talk about is our Fuzion Front Stormwar box. In this compartment, you have the ability to store your patio steps. That means that's one less thing that you have to worry about strapping down in your garage and having come loose, or compromising when you need all the space in the garage and leaving it home entirely. There's also additional space in this storage compartment still for your other camp necessities like tables and chairs. Now let's go to the rear of the trailer where I'm going to show you our Fuzion Utility Center. The Fuzion Utility Center is one of my favorite uses of smart storage solutions. Everyone else that includes a storage compartment similar to this puts it into the floor of the garage, limiting your access, and best case scenario, causing you to get on your hands and knees to get into the compartment. With the Fuzion Utility Center on the outside of your camper, you always have access to this. You're never on your hands and knees, and you never have something parked on top of it. If you're not familiar with going through a mountain pass in Colorado or Idaho, they require you to put tire chains on your camper. If your tire chains are in a compartment in your floor with your side-by-side parked onto it, that's going to limit your access. But we don't stop there with putting the compartment on the outside. We also include a light, and in the top here, there's also 110 and USB power outlets. That allows you to be able to run an air compressor and use this as a tool shelf if you're working on something, charge your Bluetooth speaker and keep the party going, or just to enhance the enjoyment of your campground. So the last smart storage solution that I want to touch on is our Fuzion exclusive Super Storage. This compartment door houses our bunk ladder. Our loft is directly above this that you access through the inside of the camper, and this ladder is what you'll use to get up there. The ladder actually stores right here, so it has all this open space for additional storage. We have a lot of customers that may be using cleaning supplies for a show bike. You can store cleaning supplies and rags in here. We also have customers that use this as a great broom closet, mounting clips to here for your broom and your Swiffer. We also have a lot of customers that use this for fishing pole storage, mounting racks to this door again. But the only limitation here is really what your requirements and imagination are. Thanks for coming with me on our smart storage solution video. I want to make sure that you know you can find more information at keystonerv.com/fuzion, and make sure you like and subscribe to our YouTube channel so that we can help you camp better.